Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating and selecting Gboard so the feature works. Once done, open any messaging app and tap the text field. Make sure Gboard is active. Tap the emoji icon to open the emoji panel and choose a clear base emoji. That action prompts Emoji Kitchen to generate mashup sticker suggestions. You're doing this because Emoji Kitchen uses a base emoji as the template to blend with other emoji, and initiating it this way speeds up the creative step. Now you build the mashup. After choosing the base emoji, look at the suggestion strip above the keyboard. Swipe left and right to see alternate combinations. Tap Suggestions to insert a sticker, or long press one to preview it larger before sending. If you want a different mood, pick another base emoji and repeat. Each base produces unique blends because the engine recombines features from both emoji. Keep experimenting to find a sticker that matches tone and context. Finish by tapping the sticker to send it in chat. You can also save frequent favorites using the messaging app star or favorite feature. Once sent, make sure to try the emoji search if you need a precise element before combining. If Emoji Kitchen doesn't show suggestions, update Gboard, enable experimental features in Gboard Labs, or clear the keyboard app cache and restart the app. This usually resolves missing stickers because it resets the feature and fetches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.